Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see from the signs, I am here at Walmart. Guys, I have my video to do so that I can get my midweek bonus. Let me show you. I don't need that many. Let me bring it up here. I only need 6 rebates to get $3. So I'm going to grab these 6 rebates. Not going to do a whole lot of shopping because I've been concentrating on Rite Aid and CVS. But I'm going to grab these 3 rebates, make it a real quick and cheap haul, and just show you guys how you can grab some of your rebates. So go ahead. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, please do so. Because every time you, when you sign up, I'm going to show you, you're going to get $10 when you redeem your first rebate. And then when you send your link to your friends and family, they're going to get $10 when they redeem their first rebate. See? Refer friends and family, earn $10. So when you sign up with Ibotta, you're going to redeem your first rebate. It could be for 10 cents, 25 cents, whatever. You're going to get $10 plus the amount of that rebate. Then you're going to share your link with your friends and family. And when they redeem their first rebate, they're going to get $10. You're going to get $10. So that's a lot of money, guys, that you can actually save up, especially during this time of the high prices with everything, and especially with gas and electric going up. It's incredible. And then that money goes right into your checking account, your PayPal, or you can buy gift cards, however you want to do. But it usually takes maybe about 2 or 3 minutes for you to get your money back. Sometimes it's instantaneously, depending on the store. So guys, let's go ahead and get started, and let's get ready to save. Okay, so the first offer we're going to get, guys, we're going to grab an apple. Yes, I'm going to buy 1 apple because I have apples. I really don't need them, so I'm going to buy 1 apple. And when you buy apples, any variety, any size, you get 10 cents back on Ibotta. So I'm grabbing 1 apple, put it in the cart, and I'm going to head on to do some other deals. This one looks nice and juicy, doesn't it? Alrighty, so the next item we're going to grab is some of the super pretzels. So we're going to get the 6 count. They're $2.78. We're going to use this $1 coupon. I forget when it came out, guys, but it doesn't expire to May 15th. It's $1 off 1. So that means we're going to pay $1.78 at the register. But then we're going to submit to Ibotta, and we're going to get $1.25 back, and you can get up to 5. So between the $1 that we're going to use with the coupon and the $1.25 we're getting back from Ibotta, that's $2.25. They cost $2.78. So that means these are going to be 53 cents. Great deal for a snack. Alrighty, so our next offer is going to be on the Oikos Greek yogurt. They are $1.06. We're going to grab one of those because we have an offer in Ibotta for free for $1.25. So this is going to be a 19-cent money maker. So you can grab any of the flavors. I'm going to actually grab the strawberry. And as always, I dropped it. Guys, whenever you come to the store, be sure to check your clearance section, as the regular clearance as well as the food clearance. They have these Carnation essential drinks. They are marked down to $5.16. And then we do have a $1.50 Ibotta rebate. So if this is something that you use, there is a good way to save on that. Okay, guys, so remember I said always check your clearance. So these One by Poise pads are on sale for $4.82. I don't know, they were regularly what, like $6.88? I think that's what that says. So they're marked down to $4.82. We're going to use these $2 off coupons. I believe they came out last Sunday, not the Sunday that just passed, but last Sunday. They don't expire until June 4th. So that's going to bring each one of these down to $2.82. Now, I know you see that 4th one back there. You're probably like, why isn't she getting that 4th one? Well, because I have an Ibotta rebate, and on my Ibotta rebate, it has limit 3. So the Ibotta rebate is the poise rebate, but if you scan these in, it will attach to the rebate. Let me show you. Hold on 1 second. Let me get the barcode. 1 second here. Okay, guys, so we have to be careful. So let me show you which ones are attaching, because one is attached, one kind is and one kind is not. So you see the barcode, it says attaching. So it's these are actually $4. So these are cheaper than those, which makes this deal even better. So the ones that say 2-in-1 pads, it's the regular with the yellow line through it, not the green banner. The green banner does not attach. So you want to get the yellow ones. So there's 2 of them. They're $4 each. So I'm going to use 2 of these $2 off coupons. So that's going to bring it down to $2. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'm going to submit twice, so that's another $4. So that's going to make these absolutely free. But then they're actually going to be a money maker, because in Fetch I have an offer, $4 off when I buy 2, and you see that's the same exact one that's pictured. So this is going to be a $4 money maker for us. So make sure you check your Fetch app. So look into your Fetch app, because I have an offer. Now, everyone doesn't have this offer, I know, because my mom didn't get it on her account. But it is $5 off when you purchase 2. So if you think about it, if you take $6.97 plus $6.97, we're going to round those both up to $7. So let's put these together. So that would be $14 in total, right? Oh, let me show you the coupon that I'm going to use for the razor. Totally forgot about that. So I'm going to use a $2 coupon for the shaving gel. But then for the razor, in that same ad, I have a $3 off coupon. So with the 2 coupons, that's going to be $5 off at the register. So 14 minus 5 is $9, right? And then when we submit to Shopkick, that's going to be another $4. It's really $4.24, but we're just going to say $4. So then that's another $4 off. So that brings us down to $5. And then we're going to submit to Fetch to get the $5 off of that. So really, this is going to be like a 24-cent money maker. So guys, that's a pretty good deal. Father's Day is coming up, so I'm going to grab these, and I'm going to definitely make a Father's Day basket out of those. So let's go to our next deal. By the way, those Dollar Shave coupons, they may be regional. They're in your save that just came out this Sunday. So this is what the front of it looks like, but I believe they're regional. So if you don't have them, don't get upset, but not everyone has them, because I believe they are regional. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the Skin Tint razors. Now pay attention to your prices, because at my store they're all different prices. So this one's $6.08. I'm not sure what this one is, because the tag is all bent up. I think that one's $6.08 also, but that one's $5.97. I'm going with the $5.97. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and they're $5.97 each, but I'm going to use this $4 off coupon. I don't know why it's so blurry, but you can, it doesn't expire to 5/14, and I forget which insert it was in, but I'm going to use 2 of these, and I'm going to get 2 of these. I'm going to use 2 coupons. But then I'm also going to submit to Ibotta, and this is the reason why I'm getting 2, because Ibotta has a rebate on here where you buy 1, you get $2 back, and the limit is 2. So that's why I'm going to get 2, because that's $6. So these are each going to be a 3-cent money maker for us. So I'm going to grab these. All right guys, my store finally got these in. They are the Chic Intuition bamboo razors. They are $5.97. So I'm going to grab 2 of them, and I'm going to use 2 of these $4 off coupons. So that's going to bring each one of these down to $1.97. But then just like the Skin Tint deal, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta, and they're giving back $2, and there's a limit of 2. So that'll be 2 more free razors plus a 6-cent money maker on these. So we'll throw those in the basket. Okay guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. The 2 Skintimate razors, the 2 Intuition razors, the Dollar Club razor, the Dollar Shave Club cream, the soft pretzels, the 2 packs of Poise by One or One by Poise, the yogurt, and the apples. So we do hit the 6 rebates. Everything is an Ibotta rebate except for the Dollar Shave Club. So we're going to head up to the register. I'm going to check out, come back, show you my receipt, and let you know what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store. Let's go over our receipt. I have the first thing on here is the One by Poise, which was $4. You see that vendor coupon for $3 up at the top? That's because I had a hard time with one of the coupons, so we'll go over that. So the Poise coupon went through just fine. You see I have 2 of those, and the $2 coupons came off of each one. The next was the Intuition razor for $5.97. The $4 coupon came off of that. The other Intuition razor for $5.97. $4 coupon came off of that. Skintimate razor, $5.97. $4 coupon came off of that. The next Skintimate, $5.97 coupon came off of that for $4. Then there's the Oikos yogurt for $1.06. My 1 apple was 89 cents. The soft pretzels were $2.78 with the $1 coupon off of that. The Dollar Shave Club cream was $6.97. $2 coupon came off of that. And then here was the other problem. Well, not the other problem, but the problem. The Dollar Shave Club starter kit for $6.97. For some reason, the coupon didn't want to scan, so she had to manually take it off. It was no problem, because the exact razor that's on the picture was the one that I got. So that's where you see that $3 coupon up at the top. So my total was $24.55. Now let's go over what rebates and things we got. So first we're going to start with Ibotta. Remember, I only needed to redeem six rebates to get my $3 for my midweek bonus, because it was six rebates for $3. I hadn't gotten anywhere else. I did everything at Walmart. So I got the $4 back for the Poise pads. I got $2 for each one. I got the $4 back for the Chic Intuition bamboo razors, $2 for each one. The Skintimate disposable razors, $2 for each one. The Oikos blended yogurt, that was absolutely free. It was actually a money maker, because we got back $1.25 for that, and it was only $1.06. 10 cents for the apples, and then $1.25 for the super pretzels. So those are my 6 rebates. For the 6 rebates, I got back $14.60. But then I did get my $3 back for my midweek bonus. So that was a total of $17.60 that I got from Ibotta. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got back a total of $9.21. You just drop the last number and then add a period where the comma is, and that's how you know how much money you got. So there you see I got the $5 back for buying 2 of the Dollar Shave Club offers. So here you can see that, buy 2. Now what I like about this is because look, you can actually do this deal 4 times. So I did it once. Now I can actually do it 2 more times. So I'm going to see if my offers from Shopkick reset. Because if so, then I'll do the offer again, because that's what makes it a moneymaker between the coupons, this offer, and the offer from Shopkick. Okay, then there you see there was a special offer, buy 2 Poise pads, get $4. That's what made this here a moneymaker, because I had the $2 coupon and I had the $2 rebate from Fetch. So that was $4. That covered the pads, but then by submitting my receipt to Fetch, I got a $4 moneymaker. And then I just got a couple cents for the shave cream, the razor, and then the pads. So that was a total of $9.21 from Fetch. Then my last thing that I got money back for was from Shopkick. So I have a total... One second here. Okay, there we go. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. So I have a total of 1,000 kicks, pending, which is $4. But I did get 60 kicks in store because I scanned the Dollar Shave Club cream and the Dollar Shave Club razors. So if you add 1,060 kicks together, and how you figure it out again, 1,060 times 0.004, that gives $4.24 that I'm getting back from Shopkick. So when you add all that up, 424 plus 1,760 plus the $9, the 1,760 was from Ibotta, plus the $9 and 21 cents from Fetch. That gives me a total of $31.05 back from all of my apps and rebates. And you see here that we paid $24.55 out of pocket. So let's subtract that. Whoa, ho, ho. That gives us a $6.50 money maker. Guys, I'd say that was a pretty good deal. So go ahead on out to Walmart. Match up your coupons with your rebates from Ibotta, from Fetch, and from Shopkick, and get to saving. If you haven't downloaded any of the apps, don't worry. All of the links are in the description box. So all you have to do is click on the links. Go ahead and put your information in and set your account up and get ready to save. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know what deals that you're going to do, or if you've already done them. Maybe I missed something. Let me know. Or just comment below and say hi. Don't forget, share this video with your friends, your family, your neighbors, your co-workers. We want to make sure that everyone's saving. And until the next time, keep on saving.